Wanna know some secret, guys? Well, today I'm gonna spill some secret. My own chicken barbecue recipe. And I know you're gonna learn and love this delicious recipe of mine. Remember, guys, I'm not really a good cook, but I'm trying to. And I think my chicken barbecue is very delicious. Proud to say. Because my husband likes it. Okay guys, let's start with my chicken barbecue. First, we have to prepare the chicken. We have to tap with a towel to make it dry. And then we put some soy sauce first. So, buhos natin lahat yan. Okay? And then, after we put the soy sauce, you have to mix it. So that, and next is the pepper. Pepper is very important to maintain its aroma. And you know what, I really like pepper, so I'm a pepperish person. The next is the lemon. So this is our lemon. You just squirt it a little, and the garlic powder. So for me, it's very convenient to use. It's convenient to use, and rather than chopping the garlic. And this, guys, this is only optional with the garlic and pepper roasted. So if you have this, then you can add some. And then the next is the ketchup, which is very important because it adds flavor at the same time color. So you just mix everything there. I think maybe this is one of my secrets for using mustard in the barbecue sauce, in marinating it, because I find this tangy flavor so good. So it will complement with the sweet barbecue thing that we Filipino used to. And then I put annatto for the coloring. Again, mix again, a lot of mixing, so that the ingredients you put will be spread throughout the chicken and soak it. And another annatto powder to have more coloring. And don't forget also the sugar, which is very important for us Filipinos because we love a sweet style barbecue. So sugar can add flavor in it. And I think this is okay. So our chicken is ready for chilling, so you have to cover it so that the moisture will be sealed, and put it in the raft. So you have to wait until 1 to 2 hours, remember. So that's it, and it's grilling time. Smells good, and my husband is the one that grilled this one. That's my husband, guys. Let's eat it. Gabriel is eating barbecue. Wow. Huh. Tastes good? Yeah. Chicken barbecue na patay. Wapo. Lami. Ha? Lami. For watching, guys. Hope you learned something from my secret chicken barbecue. Thank you. It's a secret. Don't tell anybody. Bye.